Hello, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat for your taste buds. We'll be making the all-time favorite Indian dish, butter chicken. It's a creamy and flavorful recipe that's sure to impress. So, let's get started. You need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into 1-inch cubes. Half cup of plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 1 medium onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 1 can, 14 ounces, of crushed tomatoes. Half cup of heavy cream. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro for garnish. Starts preparing the recipe. First, let's marinate the chicken. In a bowl, combine the yogurt, lemon juice, turmeric powder, garam masala, chili powder, cumin, coriander, paprika, and salt. Mix them well to create a flavorful marinade. Mixing the marinade and adding chicken cubes. Now, add the chicken cubes to the marinade, ensuring they are evenly coated. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes, or if you have time, overnight in the refrigerator for maximum flavor. Moves to the stovetop. In a large skillet, heat the butter and vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and sauté until it becomes translucent and slightly golden brown. Sautéing onions in the skillet. Next, add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the skillet. Sauté for another minute until the fragrance fills the kitchen. Adding garlic and ginger to the skillet. Now, it's time to add our marinated chicken to the skillet, along with any remaining marinade. Cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it's browned on all sides. Cooking chicken in the skillet. Once the chicken is cooked through, reduce the heat to low and add the crushed tomatoes, heavy cream, tomato paste, and honey to the skillet. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Adding tomatoes, cream, tomato paste, and honey to the skillet. Cover the skillet and let the butter chicken simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together and the chicken to become tender. Skillet covered and simmering. After simmering, remove the lid and let the sauce thicken for another 5 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Stirring the thickening sauce. And there you have it, our delicious butter chicken is ready to be served. Transfer the butter chicken to a serving dish, and don't forget to garnish it with some freshly chopped cilantro for that extra burst of flavor. Serve this heavenly butter chicken with steamed rice or naan bread for a complete and satisfying meal. I hope you enjoyed this butter chicken recipe. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Subscribe, like and share.